See, this is an special class for electricity numericals. Before we go to the numericals, we should know the formulas. And this formula should be there in front of you always, okay, every time. So, current, rate of flow of charge. I for current, Q for charge, and T for time. Okay, what is current? Rate of flow of charge. Second, the charge is equal to number of electrons. And remember, 1 electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. C for coulomb. Okay, what is C? C for coulomb. Third, potential difference. V is equal to work done by charge. Fourth, Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. From this you can write I is equal to V by R. Even R is equal to V by I. Okay. Fifth, this V is voltage potential difference, I is current, and R is for resistance. Now the formula is for resistivity. Resistivity denoted by rho. We have formula R is equal to rho L by A. Rho is equal to RA by L. L for length of the conductor. R for resistance, A for area. Next. Next formula is resistance are in series. Resistance in series. Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. If 4 resistors are there, then Rs is equal to R1 plus R2. If 2 are there, 3 is a plus, 4 is a like this. Okay. Next, in parallel. RP means resistance in parallel. So RP will not write, reciprocal will write. Okay, 1 by RP is the formula. So this is for parallel. So these are the formulas. These are the formulas. Before we go for any numericals, you should know this all. If anything extra will come, we'll let you know in between. This much you should know. Hope you all copied this formula. I is equal to Q by T. One more formula you added, heating effect formula, H is equal to I square RT. Okay, H is equal to I square RT is the formula. Even you can write H is equal to VIT, V for potential difference. This is the formula. Okay, this is 8th formula. Joule's law of heating formula it is, right? 8th one. added this formula. Now I will explain this one. You can read a current of 1 ampere. Current of 1 ampere is drawn by a filament. Let us write the data. Solution. I is equal to 1 ampere. Drawn by a filament of a bulb. Number of electron passing through the area of filament in 16 seconds. Time is equal to 16 seconds. Okay, Rekha got the answer. That's good. Passing through the area of filament in 60 seconds. So how many electrons? So we should find out n is equal to question mark. Correct? I know the formula, which is concerned with number of electrons. So what's the formula with concerned with number of electrons? You know that formula is Q is equal to Ne. Correct? So in that I want to find out n. Then n is equal to Q by E will get. Q by E will get. Okay. This is the formula. But the problem is what? I don't know Q. I don't know Q. What is that Q? But I have a formula for Q. You know, in the start, I gave a one formula of Q. What is the formula of Q? Q is concerned with current. You know, Q is concerned with current. See, this is Q formula. If this is Q. Q is equal to, you can cross multiply, you will get the formula as what? Q is equal to IT, right? So that we will write. So here what we will write, N is equal to, in the place of Q, I will write IT divided by E. Now I means they gave 1 ampere, time they gave 16 seconds, and you know, the 1 electron is equal to, just now I told 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 it is. So here we will get N is equal to, what I will do, so I just can't multiply this, divide, I can't divide, so what I will do, I will just multiply 60, 10 into 10. So here we'll get 160 and here you will get 16, okay, into 10 raised to minus 19. So this 16 ones are and 16 tens are. I'm going to get the answer 10 into this in the come in the numerator, so you will get 19. Here 10 raised to 1, so answer will be 10 raised to 20. So what is the option? B option. So B option is right. Time you should write in the seconds. This is 2 minutes is there, so 2 into 60, 120 seconds. Current they gave 10 ampere. I need to find charge Q. I know the formula I is equal to Q by T. I want to find out Q, so I will just cross multiply. We will get Q is equal to what? IT. 10 ampere into 120. 120 to 10, how much will get? Direct answer 1200 coulomb. Finish. Done. Come on, chalo next one. This Samprita and Yogita should try, see. Should try. It's not difficult. Not difficult. It's not difficult. Okay. Data is given 5 coulomb. Time they gave 2 seconds. Right? So first you find out, you know the formula N is equal to Q by E. Current we will find out first. First, find out the current. Rate of flow of charge. Q is what? 5. Time is 2. Okay, this is the current. So now this Q we will write as IT by E. I is 2.5 and this time is 1 second. Number of electron flowing conductor in 1 second. This is nothing but 1.6 10 raised to minus 19. If you multiply with 10 and divide by 10, you will get 25 divided by 16. This 19 you get in the numerator will get. So 16 divided by 20, 25 divided by 16, if you divide, what you will get? Check. What you will get? Check out. What you will get? Check out. Because we should find out, Rekha, that how many electrons there in 1 second. Electron flowing in 1 second.
Sir,
Huh.
1.56, sir.
Okay, right. So we got 1.56 into 10 raised to 19. Option is C, 30. Here 15 is A. So this is what we can think. So here 15.6, but power is 18. So if I can write this here and I can reduce one power. Okay. This can be written as 15.6. So this is correct answer. What is the answer? If charge of an electron, we know charge of electron is this. Calculate total number of electron. Total number of electron n is equal to q by q they give. So if you want, you can multiply with 10, 10. 1.3 10 raised to 20. Yeah, that's good. No, yeah, this is Rekha. Rekha is right.
So 75 into the power
Yeah.
19.
Yeah, exactly. You will get what? 75.
75 into 10 to the power 20.
So if you divide 1200 by 1.6, what you will get? Use. If
75.
you divide 1200 by or 12,000 by 16, you divide, then what you will get? Tell me. Conversion will do later on. Samprita, you are sure na 75 na 1200 by 1.6. 1200. You can just, let's see, 1200 divided by 1.6. 750 it is. 750 into 10 raised to minus 90. Right? Now normal is what you know. Normal method of writing the answer is what you know. Normal method of writing the answer is after one number point. See, if you got
Sir.
750, 1 minute. If you got 750, normal method of writing the answer is that after one number, 1 minute, Rekha, after one number point. So your 2 digit we will shift here, 2 digit. So 7.50, 7.5, 2 power we will raise it. This is plus 19, okay? Because it came in the numerator. So 10 raised to 21. Then this is the answer. Yes, Rekha, tell me what you was asking. Okay, Samprita also says 10 joule. Right, chalo. Okay, Samprita. Potential difference is V is equal to 20 volt. So we should find the charge they gave. Charge is Q is equal to 0.5 coulomb, correct? Work done, we should find out. We know the formula, potential difference is equal to work done by charge. Work done is 20. Sorry, W is equal to, we should find work done, sorry. We should find work done, right? So we will get cross multiply. We will get W is equal to Q into V. Q I can write 5 by 10. 0.5 means I can write 5 by 10, correct? Now is, if you want 0.5 also okay, into 20. So this 0 and this 0 cancel, 5 2s are 10 joule. So this is what W is. Correct answer is A option. Good. Next question. Solution. How much energy means work done only? Transfer by 12 volt. V is equal to 12 volt each coulomb. This each coulomb means Q is equal to 1 coulomb. So already we know V is equal to W by Q. Just now we did cross multiply. W is equal to V into Q. 12 into 1. 12 joule only. Simple. There was nothing in that. Okay. Very easy it was. Very easy. Yeah. 12 joule